In the heart of untouched forests, where bees move like golden threads between wild blossoms, a rare ingredient begins its journey. This is not ordinary honey, it is nature's purest concentrate of energy, minerals, and renewal. Every drop is crafted by thousands of bees and collected with absolute respect, filtered, without heat, preserved without compromise. From the hive to the laboratory, this liquid gold enters the hands of scientists and artisans who transform it into powerful skincare serums that repair creams, that restore lip balms and lipsticks infused with natural radiance. What begins in a sunlit meadow becomes luxury skincare designed to heal, protect, and illuminate. This is the journey from pure honey to high-end beauty.
That one is 75 kilograms.
Lot code 37B, 75K.
Noted it.
Every jar of cream and every golden lipstick is a story written by nature and perfected by human craftsmanship. The bees who create the foundation, the beekeepers who protect them, the scientists who unlock honey's regenerative power, each plays a role in shaping beauty that is both luxurious and honest. What started as a drop of nectar becomes a ritual of self-care, a moment of renewal against the skin, a glow that feels alive. True luxury is not built in factories. It is cultivated, collected, and transformed with intention. And with every touch of honey-based skincare, you carry a piece of that journey. This is the elegance of nature elevated. This is beauty with a soul.